this is Miss Moon. So this is our first instructional video that we're trying out. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go through our mini lesson together, just like we would if we were fully in person. Doing it in video form allows you to pause and rewind me as many times as you need, so that way we can access that instruction anywhere we want in the time period that we want, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and go over the spinning thunderstorms to get us started. Remember that we are working with 5.RI.2 as our focus standard, the 5th grade reading informational second standard, okay? And remember, that is talking about summarizing informational text. And to do that, we need to find our central idea. We know that we have all of these little main ideas, right? And all of our main ideas go into our central idea. And so that's what we are going to do today, just like we've been doing. Find the main idea of each. Okay, as I'm scrolling down, I see that I have a couple of different sections, right? All right, I have this first section right here. Let's see, it's not letting me highlight for some reason. There we go, this first section right here. Then I have this second section right here. Scrolling down, third section right here. And that's it. Okay, so we need to be finding 3 main ideas that then I'll put together into that central idea. All right, here's what I want you to do. Go ahead and please pause. And I want you to go ahead and read this first section, okay? So that means that you're going to read until, oh, right, ignore that. Read until it says, how do tornadoes form, okay? So go ahead and pause me and read, and then hit play again once you're ready. All right, so you've hit pause and you've read those 3 paragraphs. Let's find the central idea of that section, okay? What was it talking about? Okay, it was talking about this small town in Kansas. Here, I want to make sure that I'm doing a different color. Let's do this one. There we go. It's talking about a small town in Kansas called Greensburg. Okay, so that's where we are. We're in 2007. They're talking about a siren going off. What was happening? Oh, a tornado was coming. Okay, it says it was super powerful. How do I know it was super powerful? Winds were estimated about 200 miles per hour. And then it talks about at the end, there was really nothing left, right? So what was that whole section about? Well, that section was about a tornado that destroyed the town of Greensburg, right? All right, so as always, wherever you have room, go ahead and write. So we're going to do our main idea. Let me make sure that we can do a little bit bigger. Maybe not that big. There we go. All right, so what's our main idea? A powerful tornado. Hold on, let me put it down. There we go. A powerful tornado destroyed the town of Greensburg in 2007. All right, that's our main idea. Again, this is the beauty of the video. Go ahead and pause me and make sure that you've had time to write down that main idea. So go ahead and pause and make sure you've done that. Make sure you're actually pausing and putting it down. Okay, so now that we've done that main idea, what are we going to do next? Okay, well, our next thing is we need to read this next section, and then we're going to put the main idea for that too, okay? Again, go ahead and pause me. I want you to read the section, how do tornadoes form? You can see it's 2 pages. They're going all the way down. Read the section, how do tornadoes form? And put the main idea. Then unpause me and we'll go over it together. All right, so you should have paused me and have a chance to go ahead and read that and write down the main idea. Let's talk about it. What was this about? Well, it was talking about what a tornado is, right? It talks about how it's that funnel-shaped column. It gives us a graphic as well, and that it's forming when we have wet air hitting with cool, dry air, right? And then down here, it's talking about why people in Kansas are used to the tornadoes, because that has everything that they need to get started, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and put our main idea. I'm going to put it right here. You may have written yours in a different spot, and that is okay. All right, so here we go. What is our main idea? So tornadoes are funnel-shaped columns of, there we go, strong winds that form when warm, wet air collides with cool, dry air. Now, of course, yours might be a little bit different than mine. That's totally fine, as long as we're connecting what tornadoes are with how they are created. All right, friends, again, go ahead and feel free to pause and get that down. What you're going to do for the rest of your practice is you're going to do that exact same thing with how do scientists predict dangerous storms. So you're going to read that section and do your main idea, and then you'll have me check it before moving on to the questions. As always, let me know how I can support and assist.